The T-Series is True's signature, award-winning, best-in-class reach-in refrigerators. These units feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. All models feature a stainless steel exterior front and high-quality aluminum ends, and are available in 1, 2, and 3-section units. Full-size and half-size door combinations are available in both solid stainless steel or glass. An exterior digital temperature display provides accurate temperature readings. All T-Series feature a bottom-mount compressor, allowing for more efficient operation, ergonomic loading and unloading, exterior top-of-unit dry storage, as well as ease of service and maintenance. The interior features an attractive NSF-approved, clear-coated aluminum liner and a stainless steel floor with cove corners, allowing for ease of cleaning. T-Series models come standard with adjustable heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves, which provide 4 levels of food storage per door. LED lighting also comes standard and is activated by a rocker switch above each door. All T-Series models come standard with a 3-year parts and labor warranty, with an additional 2 years parts warranty on the compressor. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's T-Series, traditional reach-in refrigerators.